Hi, this is Sean from Hertelscoins, and today we got another amazing pack of PCGS and NGC graded coins we just recently purchased. So please check it out. Hi, welcome to our video. Today we purchased a few PCGS and NGC coins, a little bit better stuff. We got some Liberty nickels, some Standing Liberty quarters, and some silver dollars. So let's just check them out. We're going to go to the first one. The first one is a 1903 Liberty V nickel. Nice original white luster to it. Very beautiful coin. Hardly any bag marks on the coin. Just a little bit on the cheek. But very nice, amazing eye appeal to this one. Back is reverse is very nice on this one. And this one is a PCGS MS63. So a nice, it's common date Liberty V nickel, but it's a very, very nice coin, I think, for an MS63 grade. Next up, we have a 1930 Standing Liberty quarter. It's got a little bit of toning on the bottom of it next to the date. But very nice eye appeal coin. Nice cartwheel luster to it. Reverse 2, a little bit of toning around the 12 o'clock position, but very beautiful coin. And this one is a PCGS MS64 with a full head, meaning full detail on the head, as you can see. Next, we have some more Standing Liberty quarters. This is a 1929S. Nice cartwheel luster to this one. A little bit of toning going on. But very nice coin. Doesn't have the full head details as you can see. But very nice eye appeal. Reverse also. Very nice. Beautiful cartwheel luster in this one. And this one was by PCGS as an MS63. Very nice coin. Next is a little harder date, very hard date in the Standing Liberty quarter series. This is the 1923S. One thing about the 23S is very hard to find with the full date. And this one's got a really nice detail to the date to it. Reverse also has got a little bit of toning spot on it. But still a nice, decent grade, circulated 23S. Standing Liberty quarter, and this one was an AU53. So very nice coin, nice investable coin, very hard to find in this condition. Next, we have a very beautiful 1926D. Absolutely gorgeous coin with nice little mint luster to it. On the reverse, very nice and white. So yeah, it's very nice white coin, and this one was a PCGS MS64. And again, all these coins will be available on our website at Hertelscoins.com if you're interested in purchasing. We have a bunch of other graded stuff there. We also have a retail coin shop too that we deal with gold and silver bullion and other collector type coins, whether it be U.S. or foreign. This one here is a 1937 Buffalo nickel, nice white coin. Common date, but I saw it and I had to buy it because it's a nice coin for a common date. Nice and white. This one is a PCGS MS65. Yeah, definitely beautiful luster on this one. Next, we have a semi-key date. This is an 1887S Morgan dollar. A little bit of toning up in here, but overall very nice high appeal. Nice high eye appeal. Morgan dollar. And this one is PCGS MS65. So very beautiful coin. Next we have an 1890, which is very common Morgan dollar, but it's very hard to find in super high grades. This one's tone with the orangish color, not perfectly blast white, but still a nice coin. Harder to find in this type of condition. As you can see, it's very, very clean cheek on this one. It was pretty, I would say it's pretty close to his 66th grade. But PCGS determined this MS65. It's a little nice coin though. Lastly, we have a 1902S, which I think is very beautiful. Nice, attractive toning on the rim here. Graded by NGC. And as you can see on here, you go right here, like you filter the light, you see a bunch of lines in it. Normally people think that's scratches on a coin, but no, that's just a die polish line. So anytime you see old US coins with lines and they don't crisscross or anything, if it's straight parallel lines on it, usually it's done when they made it. So there's no, it's not damage, it's just the way that it was minted. Again, here you can see a little bit faint of the parallel lines. So yeah, no, it's not been cleaned, it's not been scratched, it's just the die finish on the coins. So like I said before, anytime in the future you see a nice uncirculated coin and all lines go straight and they're all perpendicular, normally it's done when it was made at the mint. It's not been scratched or nothing like that. When you start seeing crisscross lines or lines that are not straight, then obviously it's definitely been cleaned or scratched at one point. But yeah, very nice coin. This is an NGC MS63. Yeah, very beautiful semi-key date Morgan dollar. Alright, that's all I got to share for you today. I know we're doing another video. It's coming out next couple of days. We have a bunch of coins that just came from CAC. Some higher grade silver dollars. So please check out that video, which will be out in the next couple of days. And always, please like and subscribe to our videos. And I hope to see you again next time. Thank you.